Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove ads from your Huawei phone. To begin, navigate to your phone settings menu, typically found as a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once inside settings, locate and tap on the Apps or Applications option, which manages all software on your device. This critical step sets us up to identify and manage the specific sources of those persistent, unwanted advertisements. Within the Apps section, scroll through your installed applications. Pay close attention to any apps you do not recognize or those installed around the time ads began to appear. If an ad just popped up, quickly go to Settings, then Apps, and look at the App Launch or Recently Opened Apps section. This helps pinpoint the responsible application by revealing its activity. Once you have identified a suspicious app, tap on its name in the apps list. Here, you will see various options for that specific application. Look for notifications and tap on it. You can then disable all notifications for that app by toggling off the main switch. This action will effectively stop unwanted promotional content from appearing in your notification bar and interrupting your usage. Beyond notifications, certain apps exploit overly broad permissions to push ads. Back in the individual app settings, locate and select permissions. Carefully review each permission granted to the app. If an app requests access to features like storage or contacts but does not need them for its core function, revoke that permission. This prevents potential data misuse and reduces ad vectors significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.